Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete Wattpad account. So this is going to work the same on your laptop computers as well as your mobile devices like Android and iOS ones. So what you're going to want to do for this is make sure you go to the web browser, then type in wattpad.com and make sure you're signed into your account. You can't actually do this on the Wattpad app, unfortunately, so you will have to sign in if you're on the phone on your Wattpad account on the web browser. Once you've done that though, you're going to want to click on the top right hand corner where you see like the little circle profile picture. Click there. If you're on the computer, you should be able to just click settings on the drop down menu there. If you're on your phone, you're going to want to click my profile. Then you're going to want to scroll down here. You have to click this guide thing. And then you want to click view a full site. So that's going to get to like the desktop version of the site. You can get there multiple ways, but I think this is the easiest one. Then click the top right as if you're on the web browser. So you'll be able to see this if you're on the computer version as well. Then click settings. Then you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down. Or you might see on the right hand side where it says close account. Click on that. Then it's going to load up with this here. You can just click other and then just put whatever reason you really want to for this. It doesn't matter. Click tick on that. Then click close account, but just type in your password here. You'll have to type in. Then click done. Then click close account. And then that's the process over with on both devices. So leave a like on the video if this did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Wattpad app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.